What the fuck? Do you hear that? I have to put up with that shit all fucking night. I don't know what the fuck it is. Sounds like a car horn or some shit. Ugh.
Dude, are we double vlogging?
Oh.
We're double vlogging, right? We're double vlogging!
Double camera!
Double camera!
Inception!
This
is stupid.
Yeah, that's stupid. Okay.
One!
We can't really... 2, 3!
Seaman.
Supposed to say 6.
Wait, what time is it?
It's, I only have 20 minutes on my vlog.
Alright, whatever. She's
Alright, anyways. We can't even start a grill. Like, stupid instruction. We didn't...
No, we just don't have the right lighter.
No, we have the right letter. It's just we didn't follow the instructions.
On that
It
thing.
is say
Read it.
pile charcoal. Got that done. Just gotta.
We didn't pile it.
In a volcano-shaped fashion.
It is kind of.
Ah.
And then squirt liquid.
D, prison trick. Prison trick, D, prison trick. Pennies, dime, nickels, quarters, maybe 50 cents. Broke rapper, what you think I'm making millions? Got your favorite rabbit, shut up, rabbit, like I said again.
Honey is a subject. So I'd probably get me how the rapper's talking. My spicy interruption if you
That ass.
I'm really zoomed in on you right now.
You're really zoomed in on your neck.
I ain't even moved.
Ah. Time. Oh my god, time. My money at love it. You can bam, bam, time.
You were hot at the virus.
I have Google AdSense.
Dude.
What? No, fuck it. Yeah.
That's how you cook steak?
Yeah, we got it.
Let's go.
It looks hella fucking big.
Oh, it's hot as hell.
I know, right?
Alright,
Hey.
we're just gonna have to cook like that.
Yeah, right. Wait, I don't know.
Wait, let it.
Let it chill.
Yeah.
Yay! Fuck, dude, that fire is hella big.
1740 High Street.
Okay.
I'm the man, yeah, I said it. Bitch, I'm the man, don't you forget it.
Mom, look. I got subscribers on YouTube.